Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make Verde pasta Primavera. Okay, so for our pasta Primavera, we're going to need spaghetti. We're going to use spaghetti, our green chutney, green peas, then carrots, celery, 2 types of peppers, and this is the stalks of spinach, and of course fresh spinach. Now both we're going to blend together, make a pesto of this for it to get nice green color. The pesto is going to be made with green chutney and the spinach with olive oil. Okay, so for our pasta Primavera, I'm going to use this fantastic pasta which we bought from Costco, and this is spaghetti. Now just follow the instructions for it to be boiled, and then we're going to put it in the sauce. Okay, for our pasta Primavera, we're going to use olive oil, generous amount of olive oil. Our pan is nice and hot. And we made this pesto. I'm gonna put this in here. Remove all this really well. I'm gonna put some water in this later on so we can blend this and cook this well. Okay, so this is a pesto with spinach and garlic and a green chutney. So there's enough garlic, so you don't need to put. The only thing we're going to put here is later on salt and pepper. So cook this properly. This is all spinach, so all the water comes out from it. Okay, so now to this I'm going to add my celery, all my celery, and this are stalks from this spinach, so this gives it nice and crunch. My carrot, my green peas, and just let it saute and cook for about 2-3 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add salt to taste and my green peppers, all the peppers. And some crushed pepper. This is the only flavoring which will go into this. Now my pasta is almost ready, and all I'm going to do is drain my pasta in this. So okay, so now pasta is nice and al dente. We gotta add this into this and keep it low so it doesn't burn the pasta. Finish adding all the pasta into this pot and just stir it really slowly so all the pasta gets blended with the vegetables. Okay, so now we mixed all our spaghetti in the sauce which was made. So I want to leave this at least for 5 minutes so all the olive oil and everything blends into it really well. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so here's our fantastic pasta Primavera with vegetables. Look how green it is, sprinkled with nice Parmesan cheese, and excellent. So if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our food blog, topperchef.com. Happy cooking!